Here we are. Gonna fix this water line in the barn here. Pet the barnyard cat here. Give him some love. Where's the horses at?
Might be out.
There they are. There they are. We got some music going for the horses. The issue we got going on here is having a water line issue. And a lighting issue, apparently. Cat is apparently hungry. There's an outlet right on the wall right over there. To your right.
Snake me loves that bag right now.
We have a leaking water line here. And the lights there. We're going to go ahead and make a repair on this 90 right here. But someone else has hacked in. Also, someone else has put in all this text line that's a big no-no out here in this cold barn room here. And eventually we're going to assess this for our fine customer too. But right now, we're going to fix that. And we'll come back when it's fixed.